Got another one here down there. I don't know if it's doing any
all over
harm.
the place.
I don't think it's hurting anything.
Yeah, that one's
This time, I'm gonna send them that way.
Yeah.
towards me. What's going on, Kid family? Bully Kid here, checking in at the rear seats of this Honda CR-V. Right here, we have a little brother hanging out. Nice little motor on a crate. We're coming home with it. We got a lot of videos coming your way, guys. Very interesting. Comment down below, what do you guys think I'm doing with this motor, guys? 4-cylinder.
Ain't doing shit.
I got my buddies over here. Big shout out for my buddies that helped come out here and
Waste our time.
waste their time, but you know, they're helping a fellow YouTuber out. Now, good thing, you know, I negotiated. I'm a good negotiator. I forgot my license. I forgot most of my money, my change, but I negotiated. Anyway, guys, comment down below again, what do you think I'm doing with this motor right here? Are we crazy for getting this motor? If you have a question, write it down below and I'll get back to you guys. All right, guys, we just got back home. It was a nice little ride in the back seat. Now me and the boys, you know, we're gonna take this motor apart or out of the car.
Apart.
Not
Hey, open this trash can. Just toss it right in there as we're carrying it out.
For some reason, my buddies are hating on me, but yeah, we're good. All right, so now we watch them do the work.
Well, this thing is leaking straight.
So,
You guys push there. I'll pull here.
I mean, I'm good to push.
You're good to
Yeah.
push, okay? As long as he's good to push.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
You guys were pulling me. let's put it towards the edge, okay? I'll go out. Gotta vacuum this thing. Alright, so how you want it the same way as before?
Same way, dude.
Grab from the bottom. So, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys shift backwards there.
You want to wait
I'm
towards
good.
you?
I'm good. No. 1, 2, 3.
Easy does it. Watch it. Okay.
What do you want this?
Let's leave it anywhere here. Alright, boys. Will's garage. This guy doesn't have a YouTube channel name yet. Where's the turbo? I thought this was turbocharged. Let me get some lighting on for this. Obviously, this is a long block. It looks like it's got the, what is that, a water pump? It looks like a water pump right here. Exhaust manifold, intake manifold, throttle body is included. Thank God for these straps and this pallet. Otherwise, this would be very hard to transfer over. Anyway, guys, subscribe. Keep watching for future videos. We got a lot in store for you guys. We're going to be the first to do a lot for this engine. So don't forget.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my